here's the walkthrough of the living room, and just getting the sketch together for the living room, the kitchen, front entry, the pantry, and then the measurements. I got this wall 12'6", 6'9", and then I'm going to do come over here because you can kind of see that there's a little slope here. So I just want to get this measurement here of the rail, 12'8" plus 307. So we got here 2'8", 3'7". Now we got to get this one here. So that is going to be right here, 4'2". This all continues forward, so we've got to take this is all matching, all continuous, even though it wasn't affected. So we also got to do this sketch of this stairs. And then we also got to get a sketch of up here because it's also continuous. So then I'm going to lengthen it a little bit. So we got 4'2" by 10'5". We got
This stuff right here off this counter too?
yeah, 10 steps. So because this is a different, we're going to a new level, we can write this as main level. We can start another one. Customer's name. We can do the floor, upper level. Then I want to get the stairs in. Draw it like that. I'm just trying to draw what I see. It looks like this is kind of like an L shape. So I'm going to come in, go like this, go like that, come here, goes out a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as we get those measurements. Now the way to do a missing wall is going to be just 2 slashes. That means that there's no floor here because we're going up the steps. Then you have 1, 2. As far as I can see, what a door looks like, it looks like this. This is just a standard door, because all this has to go into the sketch. Looks like we have another door. There's another over here. There would be another door here, and then also, let's see if there's anything here. Yep, we have another door here too. So I will add that in. That's gonna go right here. As far as the stairs, I'm gonna label it stairs. Now this level up here, I would just call this a stair landing. Then we had, for the stairs, we had 4'2" by 10'5". What I like to do too, just where it makes it really obvious, I'll do little arrows showing exactly where it needs to go. And then now we're up here, grab a couple measurements. So this long wall is, these, you can hit the function on them. Well, let's see, let's go back. Let's go settings. Yeah, there we go. We had it in meters, that's feet. So let's exit that out. Let's get another one. 11'1" by 3'2". So that's 11'1", 3'2". Now we just need to get a measurement of here. 4'5". (2'2". So that's 2'2" by